people, welcome to a new video. The topic for today is nature and stimulus production. So let's start. I have heard that people feel better when they are around nature and beautiful landscapes because they feel less stressed and their mood improves. Some people get a stimulus of creativity, so they create amazing arts such as drawings with landscapes or poems related to nature. Other people like to do sports outdoors surrounded by nature, for example, surfing, yoga, and climbing to get connection with nature or to get adrenaline. According to the geography Roger Ulrich, he made a study with patients who had the same severity of illness. They were undergoing surgery, and some of them were in a room which the window had a landscape with trees, and the other patients were in a room without any landscape. They were just surrounded by a wall of blocks. And the results of the study said that the patient who was in the first room with landscape had a better recovery than the patients in the other room. So this kind of proves the stimulus that nature makes to people. Being surrounded by nature provokes a higher intellectual performance because it improves the concentration and interest to learn. It also helps to improve the social relationships, and the reason is that people feel more comfortable. When people grow with nature, they are more aware of the importance of protecting nature and animals, also other species. They can feel linked with this kind of environment. In addition, people could have a better emotional and physical health, and this means a better quality of life. Knowing about all the benefits that a stimulus produced by nature, we don't have to forget to put the garbage in the trash can, don't waste food, walk if you're going to a short distance, and control the company you are consuming products. This refers to food, clothes, or electronic devices. Okay, this is the end of the video, but you can click the like button and subscribe. Also, you can watch my other videos or the videos of my mates.